What is going on with Bitcoin? Is this the end of crypto? Should I sell? Okay, let's hop straight into the charts. This is a one-day time frame chart of Bitcoin. I marked it up with key levels and trends to make it easier to see. One thing I want to mention before I start going over with what is going on with Bitcoin is that to understand the overall direction a coin is going, you should only be looking at longer time frames. This means you should just throw away the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and even 1 hour time frames. If you are day trading, then that is a whole different story, and I have no comment on that. The first thing I want to do is look at the trend line. This is a simple line drawn from the high, and has been validated at least 3 times acting as a resistance level each time price approaches it. However, I am purely drawing this trend line to show we are indeed in a downtrend, and until we make a move to break above this trend line, we will continue down. I don't want to scare anyone saying we will go down, but we need a change in market structure for us to start showing some strength to the upside. And guess what? Market structure has the highest chance of changing at key support and resistance levels. In our case, we are looking for a healthy amount of volume at the next support. The first support level I want to look at is the broken support level that led to BTC taking a steeper dive downwards. We have been bouncing off the 40k range the past week and testing it again today. There just wasn't enough buying pressure this time. Of course, when we lost this level, the sellers began to gain more momentum, pushing BTC down even more. Our next level of support that we need to be paying attention to is the 37-38k range. This is the next stop we will head to and test if we continue down. The only issue I have with this support level is that it is a mediocre support level, meaning I can't trust it to bounce here. It hasn't been tested multiple times, but I will still keep my eye on it. I hate to say it, but we won't see any relatively strong support levels until we approach the 29-30k range. BTC plummeting straight to 30k is a definite real possibility that people need to start preparing for if things start to get even worse. We approached these levels in the May crash and had heavy support here that started a reversal. Although we went under 30k in May, we only stayed there for minutes and lots of volume came in. Now, I don't see us falling below 29-30k anytime soon. The only way I see that happening is if we continue to receive more bearish news and whales get their longs liquidated, causing a huge cascade effect. Worst case scenario, we see a recession this year and market sentiment is terrible, we will fall to 20k. However, this does not concern me, because I know if we go down to those levels we will see massive buying pressure. Okay, now we have gone over the market, let's see what news came out today that actually led the markets to a bloodbath. The first major news that came out and caused major panic was the old typical rumor of countries banning crypto. Usually China is the one coming out with this, but this time it's Russia. Russia's central bank is proposing to ban the use of cryptocurrency, stating that the financial stability is too risky. This led to the proposals of banning crypto mining and crypto exchanges as well. My take on this is that these proposals will most likely get rejected, and we will see buyers hopping back in if this does happen. We hear so much news like this, and in the end it's a false alarm. AKA China multiple times. We now have to deal with the fallout of such alarming news, instilling fear into traders' hearts. Piggybacking off of the Russia news, of course Wall Street felt this today. The correlation between the Nasdaq 100 and cryptocurrency has been the highest since 2011. It is clear that technology stocks and Bitcoin are going hand to hand. This shouldn't come off as much of a surprise considering Bitcoin is a technology. With that said, the stock market saw a bloody day too. When the federal minutes were released about the Fed reducing their balance sheets, this already created a bearish market sentiment for crypto and stocks. Adding any more bearish news on top of that just won't go well. The markets are starting to settle down now, and we can start to see a small recovery happening. The crypto market cap is sitting under 2 trillion, down 8% today. BTC dominance is at 38% and Ethereum holds 18%. There is definitely a sea of red today, but on the bright side there is one winner today. Safe Moon. Up over 200% in this madness. Absolute insanity. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to keep up with all the latest news in crypto.